Yup, so we're just gonna go over the trade that I took on SPX or ES. Um, we were on the 4 hour, we were bullish because we broke structure to the upside right here. This is the most recent break of structure. We go to the hourly time frame and you'll notice that we broke structure again to the upside from this high. Remember, blue candle up, black candle down equals a high. So bullish on the 4 hour, bullish on the hourly. So that means we're literally just straight looking for like a continuation to the upside. So if I get rid of this, jump over to the 15-minute time frame. When I was first watching this, I had equilibrium panned out like this, and I didn't want to take a like this imbalance right here, like something like this, because this is above the 0.5, and as you guys know, we don't really like buying above the 0.5. We preferably like to just buy below within a discount. So if I press, I'm gonna skip. Also, obviously, I had these marks, like these lows marked out, like buy side liquidity down here and buy side liquidity down here. But as you'll see, we push up and disrespect this equilibrium, so I got rid of this and just anticipated that we're just pushing up further up. So I jumped into the 5 minute, and then as you guys know from the PDFs that are available to you guys, we broke structure to the upside on the 5 minute, like right here. So we're bullish on the 4 hour, hourly, 15 and now 5 minute. So I marked out this imbalance like right here. I'm gonna change this color real quick because here. And then what did I do after this? So I got equilibrium from this low. We're gonna have to wait for this candle to close to actually really confirm this, but right here. So as you can see, we tapped into equilibrium, bullish candle out with a closure. I jumped onto the 1 minute now. Here's where it gets a little bit like, not confusing, but I'm gonna just turn this down in a little minute. So you already know we're in an imbalance, you already know we're in equilibrium too, so I can get rid of this. So from here, I'm literally waiting for a break of structure above this high on the 1 minute. And then we'll click. Almost break, almost break, break. So this is where I entered my first position, right here. And I have my start literally at the low, like right here. Reason I had it at the low is because we had another 5 minute imbalance like in between here, as you guys can see. 5 minute imbalance here, so I have my start here. It's my last safety net. So if I jump on the 1 minute again, pull this up. Now let's go look for our targets. We have this 15-minute low over here, and this 15-minute low over here as well. So we jump onto the 1 minute. I'm gonna just change these to green real quick. So I'm gonna delete this, as we already know we broke structure on the 5 minute. Only thing I'm gonna leave is this imbalance, so we'll let price play out. So we're up a little bit, back into drawdown, up a little bit, back into drawdown again. And then here, as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we filled this imbalance right in between here. This is what price reacted off, which is nice. Once I seen that, I jumped onto the 1 and scaled in fully into my position. I have to delete this. So as you can see, we broke structure again to the upside right here, and as price was drawing down, that's when I entered another bit of my position just to level it up with this one. I just had two positions basically at the same entry and stop below this low, and then we'll see how this pans out. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete this 1 minute break of structure, and these are my only two take profits on this trade. So we'll play it. So boom, take profit 1 gets hit, steps to break even, and then take profit 2 gets hit. That's where I fully closed up my position, and we gained around 1.4% on this trade. So it's basically like a 1 to 1.4. But yeah, this, if you want to know how to trade this model, it is in the strategy guide, and you are able to just get full access to that PDF, and it literally just breaks it down. So what I'm doing right now, it will make 100% sense to you, and if it doesn't, just let me know in the Discord, and I'll be more than happy to help you out in a bit.